when we go to launch a website, it automatically becomes personal. I feel like that's my website. I feel like right away, like, would that convert my customer? And if it wouldn't convert my customer, then we need to do a better job. My name's Curtis. I'm the Director of SEO and Web here at JRA. So I come from a marketing background. I started my late teens doing graphic design and quickly got into web development, kind of climbed the ladder in the web development and marketing industry. 3 years ago, I decided I needed a break from being behind the computer, and I went and I started a junk removal company. It was one of the first times that I got to apply all my years of training and experience in marketing and be on the receiving end of my own, marketing and development services. It grew really fast. I think it was at the right time to start a junk removal company, but I also quickly learned and recognized how lucrative the junk removal industry can be. It got to a point where it was either time to invest more money, buy another truck, double our employee roster, or continue with our original plan. My wife and I wanted to have a baby. The idea was give it X amount of time, and then at that point decide to continue it or just sell it. We were also looking to relocate, and we ended up following through on that relocation out here to North Carolina. So it was the right decision. And so we ended up selling off the company. It was awesome to see the years of learning pay off and to watch a company grow from nothing. I mean, my first job was just me with my pickup, and I think it took me 4 hours. When we moved here to North Carolina, the plan was I was just, I was actually kind of gonna retire. I realized that I missed the challenge in the marketing industry and in the development industry and the rewards that it gives you when you create and finish a project. So I started looking. I went to Indeed, and I saw a listing, and it actually didn't connect with me. When I got a call to interview for the role, I looked at it and I realized who it was that I was interviewing with, and I remembered, oh yeah, I remember this company from, when I was working. I had, obviously seen the brand. It's out there, it's everywhere. So that's how I came here. JRA offers a great product, and I'm not saying that because I'm an employee here. I shared an example with my SEO team the other day, and I showed them on one side I had the traffic from my website 3 years ago. It was what I did. I was solely focused on paid advertising and controlling the user journey and converting clients. I think I had over a 12-month period, like 150 people from organic search. That's ridiculous. I should be fired. If if I was trying to make that number great, that would have been a horrible number. On the other side of the paper, I had a JRA website, same time frame, and I took just the average run-of-the-mill website, and the organic was like 4,000. I think every junk removal company out there should be considering JRA's services. The amount of things that we do here for the junk removal company, they'd have to have 3 or 4 employees full-time to do that, to process that. There's a lot of effort that goes into optimizing the products that we're delivering. When you go out and you hire an agency, and I've worked with agencies for 24 years, when you go out and you hire an agency, I'm gonna tell you, out of 24 years, one in my history, and I've worked with some good names, one cared about data and analytics. The rest of them just wanted to put something cool looking out. And I think that's the trap that a lot of small business owners fall into, is they fall into the cool looking thing and the cool salesperson that comes and talks to them. It blows me away. And one agency cared about data and used the analytics and used the data and used research to dictate how they designed the product for its clients' customers. This is the second place I've been at in 24 years that cares about that data, cares about those analytics, cares about what those conversions look like. Here's the thing about SEO, paid, organic traffic with SEO, paid search. It's not a straight line. There's not a goalpost at the end of a line that you target. It's got different stops along the way that you target. You shoot for these increments, and you want to succeed at getting, further down the line. But SEO is a moving target. Before Google started caring about user experience and customer experience, people use tactics to rank high on Google. They stuff as many keywords in there, they get as many backlinks, and Google says, oh, lots of keywords and oh, lots of backlinks, it must be a popular site, bump the ranking. But the reality is, we all remember searching the internet for years and years and just getting junk results. Well, that's not what Google wants. They want to provide a great service. If I offer a great service and I can follow some simple guidelines with my website, they want to show that to its customers and to my customers. So when you have a company that is trying to sell you SEO services and they claim they have the secret sauce, I think you know the tone I'm talking about, I think you should pause. Since I've been here, I've spent a lot of time diving into the data. Because that was something, once I realized who I was interviewing for, I'm like, oh, and so, when I got the job, I was excited to jump into the information. I wanted to see what JRA, how are they doing it? I remember looking at it and being like, all right, yeah, they got the numbers. I'm seeing strong organic results. I'm seeing strong paid results. They definitely have built a product that is a quality experience for its clients. I know that we can work ourselves to the core to improve SEO ranking and compatibility. What gets me excited and when I look forward, I want to be embedded. I want to create new ways for our customers to connect with our clients, or the customer to connect with our clients. Over the next few months, we're going to be winding up phase 1 of a project that is intended to bring new website designs to our clients. Once we get through that, and we get through developing it and designing and developing it, we'll create a system to migrate existing clients into a new design and an updated SEO package. But I think JRA has the opportunity to lead the way in innovation with how this industry is marketing and how we are converting customers for our clients, and I want to be a part of that.